pull-out pantry storage solutions for small homes improve visibility and access to cans and dry goods, so you waste less time and keep your pantry organized. Start by measuring the depth and width of your pantry and note the door swing and any obstructions, so you can choose drawers and racks that actually fit. Full extension pull drawers let you access items at the back without leaning in. Choose soft close slides rated for at least 100 pounds and install a thin, non-slip liner to keep cans from rolling. Tiered pull-out spice racks work well for small jars and packets. Mount them at chest height to avoid bending and group spices by frequency of use for faster retrieval. Wire basket tower pullouts are great for irregularly shaped items and provide airflow for root vegetables. Pick baskets with a fine mesh to stop small items from falling through and space them so taller bottles fit without tilting. Slide-out trays at different heights let you segregate staples by category and keep heavy items low and light frequently used items at eye level. Use removable dividers so you can adjust as your needs change. Rotating carousel pullouts provide 360-degree access in corner spaces. Choose a smooth bearing system and load heavier items closer to the outer rim to reduce strain when turning. A common mistake is buying hardware before measuring the space, which leads to unusable drawers. Measure first and mock up with cardboard to confirm fit. Another issue is overloading slides with too much weight, causing sag and sticking. Check weight ratings and spread heavy goods across multiple drawers or keep them on lower trays. People also overlook accessibility for daily use and place most used items too high or too low. Rearrange so daily essentials are at waist to chest height and use labels on drawer fronts so you can find things by touch. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home organization projects, and we help people find local professionals for installations and advice. We also host a discussion community where we share real user experiences, installation tips, and project photos to help both homeowners and contractors find opportunities and practical guidance.